Everything begins with a vision. A quarter century ago, doctors from various fields banded together to offer the people of Riverside County a gift. The physicians set goals that were challenging to alleviate human suffering and distress, to improve mankind, to disseminate knowledge of medicine and health, and to help the public apply that knowledge toward the prevention and treatment of disease. Those doctors and those goals became the Riverside Medical Clinic Foundation. RMCF was established as a nonprofit corporation to provide free programs and services that help people become proactive about their own health. The original goals continue to be met with increasing success every year because of the RMCF commitment to its motto, better health through education. Today, we celebrate our silver anniversary, 25 years of turning the visions and dreams of the original founders into reality. The RMCF has created a wealth of free programs and services, support groups designed to bring together, inform, and comfort those with wellness issues. Sooner or later, every human body will experience health challenges. The RMCF is here for everyone. One valuable program is the Prostate Cancer Family Support Group, which meets 10 times a year to discuss early diagnosis, treatment, and follow-up. The men can be joined by family members and friends as they learn about new treatments and support systems. Physicians and professionals offer personal care, information, and other resources to patients.
Prostate cancer usually is a disease in men, usually in their older years. It usually starts up in the 4th or 5th decades, is usually the earliest that we see it, and increases with each decade of life. So as far as the support group is concerned, we see very young men who have recently been diagnosed with prostate cancer, and we see older men that are coming in and just want reassurance that they're doing the right thing in terms of the type of therapy that they've chosen.
The Riverside Medical Clinic Foundation recognizes and supports diversity throughout the Inland Empire community. Programs such as Esperanza para Mujeres offer monthly meetings in Spanish for women and families who are dealing with breast cancer. This program gives Spanish-speaking women the ability to reach out to others who have breast cancer. RMCF partners with other agencies on local and national levels to provide informational speakers and education at monthly meetings.
One of our radiation therapists came to me and said that she had identified a really large need for breast cancer patients that speak Spanish, that there was nothing locally available for Spanish-speaking patients to receive the support and information and encouragement in our community. So I took it on as a project, and I began to try to search for collaborators that would help me bring this to a real support group and something in the community.
RMCF understands that children hold the key to our future. The foundation teams with the Alvord Unified School District to facilitate Kickoff Riverside. It's a program for middle school students and their parents to learn about nutrition, exercise, and healthy living for kids. Local businesses join with RMCF to address health issues that can affect children, including high blood pressure, diabetes, and weight problems.
We hope that parents and students will gain lifelong values that they'll learn, they'll get from it, that it's important to stay physically active all the time, that it's important to eat right, and that nutrition and exercise go hand in hand. And a lot of times, just little things like what they'll give their kids to snack on, or meals at home. It helps them, prepare healthier meals. It helps them to know that physical exercise is fun, and there's things they can do as a family to make it fun. And so it's really about hoping that they will take some lifelong values with them that they'll carry on into adulthood, and that parents will then reinforce at home.
The foundation believes every child deserves a chance to blossom and succeed. RMCF embodies that belief with its Speech and Fun Summer Camp for children with autism. This camp combines the joy and freedom of summer activities with coaching on verbal skills. Children with autism and their siblings get a chance to interact with new friends through soccer, swimming, horseback riding, barbecues, and more.
This camp gives those families the opportunity to learn more about autism and different types of treatments or different types of helps and what's out there in the community to help them, and also helps them take these children out in the community, which has been amazing and been a lot of fun.
Every year, RMCF combines fun with fitness by helping produce 2 renowned health fairs, one for the young and another for the not-so-young. Youth is the focus of our annual Live Well in Riverside Family Fun Fitness Day. Dozens of exhibitors and booths promote healthy kids and a healthy community. Fitness counseling, glucose tests, and blood pressure readings are free.
The programs provided by the Riverside Medical Clinic Foundation serves the population very well. We try to find programs that are not available through other venues. So even though cancer is dealt with on a community basis by other organizations, there are specific areas of cancers that are not being served. For instance, our program for Spanish-speaking women with breast cancer was not being served nicely. So we're doing an excellent job in filling that niche. And there are several other programs just like that.
The 50 and Better Health Fair draws a different generation. It offers health screenings, panel discussions with doctors, door prizes, and more. Both health fairs are free and open to the public. They're staged in partnership with the Janet Goski Senior Center and Foundation, the Latino Diabetes Association, the Community Foundation, the Alford Unified School District, and the City of Riverside.
The mission of the Janet Goski Foundationship as well as the Riverside Medical Clinic Foundationship with regards to our seniors, we can only twofold when you put together the resources we have and the talent we have at the table to produce this health fair. It will only be bigger, stronger, better in the future. And that means for the many seniors that are in the pipeline, the baby boomers that are coming out, we'll have so much more to offer from a relationship standpoint because, again, this partnership means a lot to both organizations.
RMCF never stands still. The Foundation is committed to never-ending research and education for better health. Every year, 2 major lectures are offered free to the public, covering a wide variety of health and wellness topics. The lectures are dedicated to the memory of 2 founders and supporters of the Riverside Medical Clinic Foundation, Dr. Robert Joseph and Dr. Richard Boylan.
I think we are well set with our association with the Riverside Medical Clinic to provide several new programs to improve the life of our community. We are looking to expand the childhood obesity program to incorporate as many middle schools as we possibly can. And we are working with the University of California, Riverside's Department of Social Sciences to look for a multi-year federal funding so we can follow these children into adulthood and have a long-term meaningful impact on the lives of these children and improving the health of our community.
For a quarter century, members of the Riverside Medical Clinic Foundation have taken bold steps to improve health in the Inland Empire. But in some ways, they've only just begun. Questions lead to answers, but answers often then lead to new questions. Education is like that. It's a never-ending story itself. Education is the key to preventing disease and promoting wellness. As health professionals educate the public, the doctors themselves are constantly learning new angles. That's why it's a safe bet that 25 years from now, when the Riverside Medical Clinic Foundation is celebrating its golden anniversary, the foundation will still be learning and growing. And it will still be meeting those goals it set 25 years ago, to alleviate human suffering and distress, to improve mankind, to disseminate knowledge of medicine and health, and to help the public apply that knowledge toward the prevention and treatment of disease. The Riverside Medical Clinic Foundation. Better health through education.